Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on AUD USD. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So I told you that markets will definitely reject from this level. The reason for the rejection is that this is our resistance level. As market has rejected from this level previously, we also had a rejection from this level. Now markets eventually get to this level and we will be expecting the rejection to this support level. This was our level that we predicted about. That there will be rejection from here downward and market eventually give us that rejection. So learn how to trade properly, especially if you trade AUD USD. You are a struggling trader, you can't trade it properly and you need help on how to trade it. What you just have to do is join the mentorship that is currently going on. So you will learn how to trade it properly, how to analyze properly what you should watch out for and how you should go ahead. So basically, it is just for 1 month, just 1 month. After 1 month, then you can cancel it. It is just 1 month. Learn how to trade properly and professionally. Trade Euro USD the right way. So join the mentorship program. You'll find the link in the comment section. So let's scroll down to our 1 hour time frame. So we are expecting something is drop, which we eventually got that drop. So there is a multiple rejection level here, which is rejection here. Market dropped. Markets came back to retest this level. Markets dropped. Markets came back to retest this level. Markets drop a little bit and now it looks like market wants to give us another drop. So above all, whatever AUD USD will be doing, should be expecting more sell on AUD.